have found that backpack mist blowers can actually do an excellent job in providing tick control. So we've done this in combination. We've compared a power spray application of Demency-S versus a backpack mist blower application with Demency-S. And again, as long as you get sufficient volume out, you using an appropriate setting in your backpack mist blower, shooting for somewhere around a gallon and a half per 1,000 square foot is about what we achieved in our study that we conducted in Connecticut. And we got excellent control. We're talking one treatment with a high rate of Demency-S getting 90 days control of ticks, and this is the black-legged tick. But one thing I would say, so you can do a mosquito treatment at the same time as doing a tick treatment. There are going to be some key differences for each of those target pests, though. So with a mosquito treatment, we're typically treating about 10 feet and below. We're also going to be keeping an eye out during our first initial inspection for any potential breeding sites. So sources of water, any containers that are holding water, we want to make sure we remove those or treat those with an insect growth regulator. But for ticks, we're typically talking about 3 feet and below. And again, your initial inspection for any of the pests that we talk about is the critical part, right? We'll make sure you do your thorough inspection before you pull any equipment or insecticide out.